Good morning, students. This is part 4 of chapter 9, Indian Politics, Trends and Development. Now we will discuss about the third major development which took place in Indian political scenario in the decade of 1990s. That was adaptation of new economic policy. In 1991, India adopted liberalization, privatization and globalization, that is three branches of new economic policy. In 1991, there was the rule of Congress in India under the Prime Ministership of P.V. Narasimha Rao. At that time, Dr. Manmohan Singh was the Finance Minister of India, and due to his efforts, India adopted this LPG, means India had allowed multinational companies to come in India. India had given space to private sector to rise here. Many companies were shifted in private sector, and the restrictions on export and import have been loosened. India has become an active member in the global market. So this was the third development which took place in Indian politics, adaptation of new economic policy which was adopted in 1991. It is having three aspects. Liberalization means restrictions on import and export has been reduced. Privatization means more preference was given to private sector, and connected Indian economy with global world, that is globalization. It is also known as LPG. Now students, we will discuss about the fourth development, that was demolition of Babri Masjid. We will discuss about Ayodhya dispute. Before I will tell you about Ayodhya dispute, I must tell you something about that era when there was communalism in India. Students, there is an allegation on Bharatiya Janata Party that this has promoted communalism in India. Bharatiya Janata Party or BJP had given the theory of Hindutva in India, and this BJP adopted the strategy of mobilizing the Hindus. We can give two examples which prove that BJP is a Hindutva party. Which two examples? Actually, this is not mentioned here. First is Shah Bano case. What was the Shah Bano case? In 1985, in this case, 162 years old Muslim woman who was divorced by her husband, she filed a case that she must get maintenance from her husband. The Supreme Court had given decision in her favor that she must get, but the Orthodox Muslims, they saw that this order of Supreme Court is an interference in Muslim personal law, and on the demand of some Muslim leaders, the government passed the Muslim Women Act. In 1986, that nullified the Supreme Court judgment. This action of the government was opposed by many women organizations, and in this case BJP supports Shah Banu. So this is the first example where we can say that BJP is a party of Hindutva party, because BJP criticized the action of government which was an act of appeasement of the minority. And the second incident which proves that India is BJP is Hindutva party, that is Ayodhya dispute, demolition of Babri Masjid. What was there? Babri Masjid is a mosque which was constructed in 16th century. Some Hindus, they believe that this mosque was built at the birthplace of Lord Rama after demolishing the temple, that is birthplace of Bhagwan Ram. And during the British rule, there was a court case filed, and this mosque was locked from the 1940s. Students, in 1986 February, Ayodhya comes under district Faizabad. So district court of Faizabad has ordered that Babri Masjid premises should be unlocked so that Hindu people can go there and offer the prayers, because it was a temple also. Now it became a controversial chapter in India. Both Hindus and Muslims organization, they tried to mobilize the people of their community. This dispute, which was a local dispute, it has become a national question. This Babri Masjid was constructed by Mir Baqi in 16th century. So when Faizabad district court ordered to open it for Hindus, it became a national question for whole of the country. BJP with RSS, Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh, and VHP, Vishwa Hindu Parishad, they mobilized the people and they started many programs for this, and one of that program is Rath Yatra. This Rath Yatra was started from Somnath in Gujarat to Ayodhya in UP by L.K. Advani, Shri Lal Krishna Advani, a leader of BJP. And this yatra went every village and every city from Somnath to in Gujarat to Ayodhya, and lakhs of people, they joined this yatra in the name of Ram. We will continue this topic in our next video. Till then, goodbye.